And so the khata, ikhwan, and a great error is to say concerning the companions, hum rijal wa nahnu rijal. That they are, we are men and they are men. And this is the attitude that you'll find now in this present era. We are men and they are men. We are men and they are men. Yeah, na'am, they existed and they were present in a time that was earlier than ours, but we're men and they are men. And they can get things right, get things wrong. No, we abandon those types of statements. This is foolishness. Yes, we are men and they are men, as far as if you're talking physiologically and biologically. Naam, and even that is questionable with some of these present day individuals. Some of these individuals who we now have menses. Naam. This era and this period of hypersensitivity and men having menses, this is the era that we're living in. So I don't even know if it's true to say that we are men and they are men. But ala kulli hal, it's not the same. Barakallah fiik. It is not the same. Those who lived with the greatest, those who were mentioned in the book of Al-Bal, those who were mentioned in the Torah and the Injil, not only in the book of Allah Azza wa Jal, not only praised in the Quran, in the Torah and the Injil, the companions were mentioned. Isa ibn Maryam and his companions knew about the companions and were acquainted with them and were familiar with their characteristics. Musa and his companions, familiar with their characteristics. Present within the Torah and the Injil, Muhammadur Rasulullah. وَالَّذِينَ مَعَهُ أَشِدَّاءُ عَلَى الْكُفَّارِ رُحَمَا بَيْنَهُمْ تراهم ركعا سجدا يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا سيماهم في وجوههم من أثر السجود ذلك مثلهم في التوراة. That is the example that Allah mentions concerning them in the Torah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Those who are with him, staunch against the kuffar, merciful between themselves. Tarahum rukka'an sujjada, making ruku' and sujood. Yabtaghuna fadlan min Allah wa ridwana. Simahum fi wujuhihim. Their signs are in their face from the effects of the sujood. That is their example in the Torah. That is how they were described in the Torah. Stop there. ومثلهم في الإنجيل كزرع أخرج شطأه فآزره فاستغلق فاستوى على سوقه يعجب الزراع ليغيظ بهم الكفار. And their example in the Injil was like a shoot that stands forward a stalk. It grows upon its root. It flourishes and blossoms. يعجب الزراع. It brings, it amazes the one who sowed the seeds, لِيُغِيظَ بِهِمُ الْكُفَّارِ, and so that the kuffar, a reference either to the other farmers or to the kuffar literally, that they may be envious of them. And so individuals who were mentioned, their dhikr and their sifat were mentioned in the Torah and the Injil, not only in the book of Allah. And Allah Azza wa Jal praises them, either as a jama'ah, or as afrad and individuals in the Quran. Prophet ﷺ praised them in the Sunnah. ثم تأتي هذا المسكين ويقول نحن رجال هم رجال ونحن رجال. Then this individual comes along saying we're men and they're men. Yes, we're men and they're men. وليس المن كالمن. These men are not like those men, ya akhi. If we're even going to call these ones men, even if we're going to give them that title. Allah al-Musta'an. Males. هذا هو. يمكن we give them males. And there is a farq, as Imam al-Zuhri mentioned. أهل الحديث أو علم الحديث يحبه الذكور من الرجال ويكرهه إناثهم. Ilm al-Hadith is loved by the males among the men, and it is hated by the effeminate ones. And our manhaj is based upon the methodology and the manhaj of Ahl al-Hadith. It's loved by the males among the men. Effeminate ones, hypersensitive men, يعني men with menses ما يحب هذا المنهج لا يحبون هذا المنهج نعم الله تعالى